Okay friends, I'm going to show you how I make a really easy turkey salad, just like chicken salad, only I'm using turkey, and it's what I had in my freezer that I need to get used up. So what I had left over from the casserole I made, I'm going to make some turkey salad. It's nice for lunches because we're going to be busy all this week. So I'm just going to cut this up in little chunks. Show you how easy this is to do. Now you can put scallions or fresh veg or fresh herbs in here, but I'm going to just use my dried parsley, and I'm going to use a little bit of regular sweet onion and some red bell pepper. I had one of those in the refrigerator that I needed to get used up. So we're just going to cut this up. There we go. Put that in there. Okay, set that aside. Now with this, I'm going to put a little bit of pepper in it because I love pepper in it, and lots of onion. And you pile this high on a nice piece of sourdough bread, and you got a nice little lunch. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in here because that's always good. About a quarter teaspoon. And I'm going to put a nice amount of parsley in here, my dried parsley. Okay? Now I'm going to put a little bit of Miracle Whip in there. And I don't like it real juicy with Miracle Whip. I just like it just, you know, just wet. Just barely wet with it. This stuff turns out fantastic. Okay, we'll just mix this until it's mixed in nicely. Okay, that is how I like it to look. See that? How nice that looks? Very easy and a good way to use up leftovers. So there you have it, friends. Give that a try. You will like that. Thanks for watching.